Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi S17 Ultra, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your dialer. Then tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and go to your contacts. Now let's find the contact that you'd like to block and tap on it, and scroll down to find the option block numbers. Simply tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now let's tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and go to the settings. Right here, we have to tap on blocked numbers. And as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, which is great, which means that the previous option worked. Here we can also tap on add a number and enter it manually just like that, and tap on block. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. And at the very top, we've got also the option unknown, which means that after activating and by tapping on the switcher, you can block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn that off the same way. And if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.